Do these results surprise you, Mark?
They don't, other than the fact that the holiday spending intentions continue to get worse. I mean, it's funny. We asked that question starting in late August, early September, and the intentions at the time were holiday 2022 would be up almost 10%. And now, obviously, what you're seeing is down. So I feel like it shouldn't surprise, but it probably should have surprised people who were as optimistic as they were earlier on.
Do you literally think we're going to see a decline in outright holiday spending year on year once all the numbers are in?
Hard to say, but obviously the direction would suggest that it's going to be harder. I mean, I think you've seen that too out of some of the retailers so far. Obviously, we're in the middle of their fourth quarter for January quarter ends, and you're still a few days before the holidays here. But they talked about general merchandise, mainly things non-stapley being weaker, heading out of the third quarter into the fourth quarter. Things, electronics, toys, etc., apparel. All those things being a little bit worse. I think Walmart's numbers were down mid-single digits for general merchandise. They were down low single digits in the prior quarter. So they are negative for things that are more discretionary in nature.
Sure. And you are reducing estimates as a result of this. You're trimming your EPS estimate for shares of Walmart and Target. I mean, those are the consumer names. Every person who comes on and says if they want any exposure to the consumer, they always want those kind of names. Walmart especially, the trade down effect. This is telling you that, how would you play the retail space then?
Well, I think those are still the best place in a tough neighborhood. I think that's how we would put it. But in terms of the reason we're taking numbers down, it's less about the comp growth being necessarily a lot worse than people expect. In fact, I think at least in the short term, you probably hit the numbers that are out there. But a lot of it's being driven by consumer staples purchases, right? So it's just pass-through of inflation. If you think about Walmart's October quarter, for example, overall growth up 8% from a comp standpoint, but grocery up mid-teens. So basically all that pass-through of inflation-based pricing, general merchandise, as I said before, declining. And so that's how you get to a high single-digit overall comp number. Where it hits earnings, and where I think the piece that folks are going to have to pay attention to going forward is that unfortunately general merchandise tends to be higher margin. I'm talking more gross margin, but obviously flow through as well to profit. And staples tend to be less profitable. And so the more staples purchases you have, the lower gross margin and the hurt to overall profit margins. Conversely, right, general merchandise does better. That helps things as well.
Talk to me about Costco and why you have a buy on it as opposed to a hold on Walmart and Target. And I was struck by the sales per square foot number that I read somewhere. It's almost double at Costco what it is at Walmart.
Well, Costco is just a great retailer. Has been historically, will continue to be a great retailer in our view. They also tend to have a lot more insulation, especially relative to a company like Target that has a lot more general merchandise categories. And so almost 60% of Walmart's business is being driven by staples purchases. And even what they sell in general merchandise tends to be more selective. They have members, so it's a captive audience. Those members, interestingly, see more value in shopping at Costco. So even in tougher times, people tend to go there more. You saw a huge benefit to the business from gasoline inflation over the summer, people going there for lower prices. They have membership fees that drives roughly 2/3 of net income over the years. They're probably going to take pricing on a membership fee. They're probably going to offer a special dividend at some point because the balance sheet's in great shape. So it's just a really good business.